Hey guys, it's Petra here from BigIncomeParadise.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use VideoMakerFX, which is an amazing tool, especially if you don't want to be in front of the camera. Okay, if you're camera shy, this is an amazing way to still make videos, to still do the video marketing, but you can still be a little bit in your comfort zone, okay, even though I don't recommend you to be in your comfort zone 24/7, okay? So I'm gonna show you how this tool works. I'm not gonna show you everything because there's so many options and you would watch this video for like 5 hours, okay? And you probably don't want that, right? So the link to this tool is gonna be down below. So if you want to get VideoMakerFX, click the link down below. It's only $27, so it's not expensive. It's one time, $27, and you can do so much with this, and I'm gonna show you. So the first thing, click here, create project, name your project. We're just gonna say test, okay? The next thing is you should add your slides in. So you have a lot of options, okay? I'm not gonna show you all of them because there's so many options. As you can see, just click on this, check it out, how it looks, okay? Then we're gonna go up. Let's say you want to check these slides out. This one is really cool. I really love it. But I'm gonna show you, as you can see, there are people inside. So you can make a story, which by the way, stories sell, right? So you can make a story and so on, but I'm sure you already saw this slides, this videos with the hand, the marker, writing stuff down, right? And let's say you just want to use one of the slides, not all of them. You can just choose one and add one slide. But for this video, we're just gonna use all of them, okay? And just click all slides. And there you go. These are all the slides that you have. Don't worry, if you need more of them, you can click here and it's gonna copy it. You can click on this X and it's gonna delete it. You can add other slides in, okay? Add one slide or all of them. You can rearrange the slides. So let's say you want this in the middle, right? As you can see, you have so many options, but we're just gonna delete most of them. Let's say this one and this one. We're just gonna make a quick, short video. So the next thing, click on the first slide, click here, and then make your text. So let's say we're selling something. I'm just gonna write selling, okay? You can choose an image for a background, so open gallery. You can use your image, or they have a lot of images here, right? You can choose whatever image they have here. Okay, let's say you want this to be gray, use this image. Why is it selling? Okay, you can choose a different color. Okay, now you can change how long this slide is. This is 10 seconds, but this one you can delay it, right? You can delay the end. Just play with all of these options. So here you can't put in the text, but you can put in the image. So again, you can put the background and the image in this area. Okay, so let's say you want to put in add card. See, this is how it's going to look like. Now you can scale. As you can see, just play around with this all options. Then shape. Let's see, transparency. Okay, animation. I really love animation here, but we're gonna choose this animation at the end. So let's just go here, and let's say at the end, obviously you want to have a call to action in a video. So let's say your call to action is click the link below. Okay, now I'm going to show you animation here. Let me just see. Didn't I click? Okay, so you have to click on animation. Then, as you can see, animation 1, 2, you can't see it that good, but you can still use a different background. If you want to use this white arrow, you can choose the different background. Let's see which background would be best. Let's say green, okay, so that it shows this arrow. But again, you can choose another. I don't know why this is happening. This is the only thing that I really don't like. When you change the animation, when you change the background or you change something on this slide and you go back to animation, as you can see, I'm changing the animation, but nothing happens here. So when you change it, click on the slide again. This is the only thing I don't like, because you have to click here and you have to click here again to see a different animation. And again, as you saw at the beginning, when I just clicked on the slide, I could just change. See, you have to go back here again, and you can just change the animation. It's just a little bit, this is a little bit annoying, but that's the only thing here that is annoying, okay? So as you can see, you can use animation. Let's say we want to use the forward animation. This is my favorite one. I don't know why, but it's my favorite one, even though I don't like the red color. That's the only thing, but you can change it into black, whatever. But red color obviously pops out. So you can then use audio inside. So they have their own audio settings. So just click enable and listen to different songs or whatever this are. Just click here. I don't know if you're not gonna hear it, but okay. So just listen to them, choose the right one, click here to listen to it. Then audio volume, usually I put it on 30 or something like that, so that it's not, you know, too annoying, too loud and stuff like that. You can fade it in, fade out, and then you can just click apply. And it's inside all of this, it's inside all of the slides now. Now you can also, when you start making videos, which I do recommend, if you don't want to be on a video, at least use your own voice, okay? Because people connect with you. Your audience is gonna connect with you better if you use your voice, even better if you are on the camera. But if you're really that shy and you just want to make videos at first without your voice, without you being on a video, use this audio and make animation here, you know, animation, use animation images, text, and just sell stuff, right? Sell or promote or whatever you want to do with videos, right? But if you want to use your voice, you can do so, okay? Click on the first animation, right? Or on the first slide, I mean. Then click record, okay? And you just click here. I'm selling tomatoes, I don't know. And this is it. And this is gonna be a part of the first slide. It's gonna say, I'm selling tomatoes, I don't know. That's what I just said, right? You can record that, and when you're finished, you can preview the project, okay? So it's here, whatever. You can preview the project, and then you can save it, okay? You can save it and export it. So use HD, okay? It has to be great quality. Now the quality should be from very good, excellent, near perfect, or perfect. I would just choose perfect and just export it. So start video export, okay? You can open video folder, so it's gonna be saved in here, or you can just choose to close this and fix whatever you want to fix in here. Okay, so as you can see, there's so many options, and I'm just gonna check this out. Okay, as you can see, you can choose the background effect. There are so many options in here. Just play around with it, make great videos, because this videos, for example, if you choose the slides for business presentations, look, it's really professional, okay? And I'm not saying be completely professional, don't joke around. No, you should always be yourself, okay? Try to make people laugh. Now, these are a couple of tips that I can give you about video marketing. Be yourself, try to make people laugh, but if you do presentations for business like this, right, it's really professional. People are going to take you more seriously. People are going to watch your videos because this is fun, this is interesting, right? So yeah, click the link below, get this VideoMakerFX, and just start making amazing videos, okay? So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.